Home Remedies presents.
This is how ice melts away your stomach fat quickly and effectively. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I am Rabia and in today's video, I am presenting you with a very interesting recipe that will help you feel better and healthier, and the main ingredient is ice cubes. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. Have you ever heard of ice therapy? Yes, ice therapy. When one wants to lose weight, all that we know and what is recommended is hot water, hot yoga and what not. Using ice as a treatment is a taboo, but believe me, it can be really beneficial. How it works? It is a known fact that we have two types of fats in our body, the white and the brown fat tissues. While white fat is the one that settles at stomach, hips and other parts of the body, the brown fat on the other hand is used to generate heat in the body. So in simple, the colder your body feels, the more brown fat is burnt to give warmth to your body. So you can use this idea to kill fat at home by freezing them and cooling them. How to perform ice therapy at home? Plain ice can also be used while performing the ice therapy, but you can add a few things I will tell you now to make the therapy more effective. You need half a liter of water, 3 tablespoons of horsetail powder, 500 grams of green tea, a handful of rosemary, 3 teaspoons of coffee. Preparation: boil all of the ingredients together for 15 minutes. Then leave the mixture to cool down. Put it in an ice cube tray and freeze it. All you need to do is take a bag, place the ice in it and wait some time for melting. You can also use crushed ice. So once the ice is partially melted, you can now apply this ice bag to the areas of fat reduction to freeze your fat cells. Apply it daily for 30 minutes. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.